In front of us, we have the Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra, and we're going to be pairing the buds right now to our device. There's going to be two ways to go about doing this. The first way, you'll be able to pair it to like a laptop or any classic Bluetooth device. Another way would be through the Bose application. Doing it through the Bose application will give you a few more additional configurations that you'll be able to do to the buds. Alright, so first we'll start with the classic way of pairing it. Today we're going to be pairing it to an iPhone. Open up the buds, and there's going to be a button on the back here. So press and hold that button until you'll see this blue blinking light right here. So if it's a solid color or it's not this blue blinking light, then it is not in pairing. So just click and hold this button on the back of the Bose Quiet Comfort Ultras on the case until you get a blue blinking light. Then you know that it's in pairing mode. From there, jump into your settings on whatever smart device or your laptop or whatever you may have. Go to your Bluetooth and it will show up as a device. So we'll just go ahead and connect that. And now we're connected up, and you can rename your device and have access to that there. So we're going to go ahead and disconnect this device, as well as we're going to forget it. And now I'm going to walk you through on how to do it via the application. So what you would want to do is grab on the App Store, it will be the Bose app. Bose also has Bose Connect, Bose Sleep, and a few different ones. You would want the Bose one. And I believe on the Android, it is Bose Music that they want, is what it's called. So we'll go ahead and jump into the Bose application over here. And if you don't have an account, you can just skip there. And we're going to want to select headphones, earbuds, portable speakers, and frames. So we have the earbuds, so we'll select that. It's going to automatically search for a device next to us. So in order for the device to be found, just go ahead, open it up. No need to press the Bluetooth button. You can just open it and it should find it. If it's not finding it, then do go ahead and press the button until you get the blue light. So just to show you, there we go. We're in Bluetooth pairing in case it doesn't automatically detect it. Now you can connect it. All right, now you can give yourself a custom name to these buds. So we'll just leave it default. You can give it a custom name. And you can follow along and do all this custom fit stuff, and you can even take a photo of your ear, and they'll try and predict the shape of your ear and adjust the tune of the EQ and the tune of these buds to better fit your ear for the sound that it will produce. And now you're here in the app, so you can set up all your normal stuff like the different modes, and you can EQ the buds here and just add in what exactly you want the shortcuts to be. So you can go through all these settings here and adjust it to your liking. Now, if you want to remove these buds from the application here, what you want to do is jump here to the top left and then select your profile on the top right. And you will see My Bose and then Products, so you would want to go under Manage Products. And over here, you'll see our device right here connected. So we'll click Edit, select the device, and click Delete. And it will ask you if you want to remove it. We say yes. There we go. Now it is removed from the Bose application, and we're still connected just locally to our phone here. So if you want to completely remove that, you can disconnect, and we can forget the device. So now it's fully removed from your Bluetooth settings, as well as it is removed from your Bose application. So if you do remove it from your Bluetooth settings and you paired it with the Bose application, it will still show up as one of the products here. So that's how you'll be able to remove that. All right, so that's the two ways that you can pair the Bose Quiet Comfort Ultras to whether a computer or a phone via just the classic Bluetooth or via the application.
Oh, hey Joe, what are you doing in there?
Trying to fix my headphones to save some money.
That sure is a strange way to save money. Why don't you try switching to our channel partner, Mint Mobile, instead? They have the largest 5G network in the nation.
Is that the Breakfast company?
No, I mean, it's not minty fresh like that, but they can save you a bunch of money. Their plans start at just $15 a month. How much do you pay?
I pay $80.
Dude, that's insane. It only takes like 15 minutes to switch over. You could save so much money. You could get yourself a new office. You could fix your headphones up right.
Sounds good. I'm gonna switch right now. You should switch too. Check out the link in our description.
All right, well, check it out, Joe. Have a good one.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you guys love what we do, please support us. You guys can click on the links that we have on the end screen. You guys can buy parts, sales, or service so we can continue to make great videos for you guys for many more years. Thank you.